At MyFavorito, our mission is to send money to sports clubs, and we make that as easy as possible with automated payments. In an earlier tutorial, you added your payment information, and we will automatically charge you as soon as our system generates an invoice, typically once a month. But you can easily keep track of all transactions and invoices here in the dashboard. Click Payments in the navigation toolbar. Here you will see the important financial information. You can also see a map of all transactions and a detailed transaction log that you can filter by time frame and many other criteria. Click on Invoices in the navigation toolbar. Here you will find a record of all invoices which you can filter by date and status. Each invoice includes a detailed transaction list and shows all the clubs you are supporting. You also have the option to print a PDF for your records.